Hi sales experts! Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about rapport. Building rapport is an essential skill in any situation, whether it's in your personal or professional life. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, establish trust and understanding, and ultimately create a stronger, more positive relationship. So how do we build rapport? The first step is to actively listen to the person you're talking to. This means not only hearing their words, but also paying attention to their body language, tone of voice, and overall demeanor. By actively listening, you're showing the other person that you're genuinely interested in what they have to say and that you value their thoughts and opinions. Customers and people like to feel that their opinion is valued, and in turn will be more inclined to listen to you as well. Another important aspect of building rapport is to find common ground. This can be anything from shared interests, experiences, or even just small talk about the weather. Finding common ground helps to establish a connection with the other person and makes them feel more comfortable and open to talking with you. Try to also mirror the other person's body language and tone of voice. This means that you're matching their posture, gestures, and even their way of speaking. This helps to build trust and make the other person feel like you're on the same wavelength. But be careful not to overdo it and make it obvious, or it may come across as insincere. Use open-ended questions to encourage the other person to talk and share more about themselves. For example, when a customer or person is telling a story, "What was it like doing that?" Or "What did it feel like to be able to do that?" This allows the other person to speak about their emotions and build a deep level of connection to the person they're talking to. Also aim to learn more about them and find new ways to connect. When the customer or person speaks, use positive affirmations and give genuine compliments. This will help to build a positive relationship. Focus on being authentic and genuine. People can sense when someone's being fake or insincere, and it can be a major turnoff. By being yourself and being honest, you'll be able to build a much stronger and more meaningful relationship. To summarize, building rapport is all being yourself, asking open-ended questions, and having an aim to build a connection. It takes practice and patience, but by implementing these tips, you'll be able to connect with others on a deeper level and establish stronger relationships.